opportunity. Kaplan is way to future. Best learning environment, constant source of learning and development, positive change and gateway to my dreams. The decision we make today affect us for the rest of our lives.
This journey has started in 2007 with the dream of becoming India's biggest career launcher by providing lot many facilities which are in general not provided by the so many institutes. Likewise, 24 hours library, state-of-the-art facilities, air-conditioned classrooms, vast range of book materials, experienced faculties, and so on. And most important, that three-level study, the basic, intermediate and advanced level. So students who are not up to the intermediate or advanced level, they can get admission in basic level, and then after gradually they can raise their level and reach up to the advanced level. Basically, we are catering four major segments of education. First, very much important is competitive exams. The students or people who are aspiring to get jobs in government sector, we are providing coaching for different competitive exams like UPSC, GPSC, bank, railway, NDA, etc. So after clearing this exam, students can get job in government sector. The second most important segment we serve for is corporate training. After completing corporate training, the student or people can get a job in corporates. We include coaching in corporate training are English proficiency, personal development, mind power training. So that builds their confidence and positive attitude. We also provide coaching for foreign languages like French, German, so that increase their eligibility to get job in multinational companies. The third major segment what we serve is study abroad. The students who are aspire to make their career in foreign countries, we provide them coaching for different entrance exams like IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, SAT. So after clearing these exams, they can get admission from the university, and we also provide visa assistance. The four major and very most important segment is distance education. So we have tied with reputed universities. So this is for working professionals who are already working somewhere and want to finish their higher education with us. So after our university will provide them degree, diploma or masters as per their requirement, and after getting degree they can get promotion. So these four major segments we cover in education. In short, the person or people who aspire to get success in their life, Kaplan is always for them.
With over 450 courses and tie-up with 12 reputed universities at Kaplan Group, we give wings to your desires. Come be a part of our family and make your dreams your destiny.
We also have tie-up with state open boards to provide 10th, 12th eligibility to our students. Kaplan Group also provides coaching for courses like BBA, MBA and engineering on part-time basis, so students can have practical exposures too. We also arrange industry tour, educational picnics, mind power training and personality development programs, and also prepare students as a leader who can face crowd and address them boldly.
Actually, we have postgraduate courses like
MCOM, MA, MSc, MCA, MCW, MBA, MEd, MTech, LLB, etc.
Kaplan Group has a vast experience in preparing accurate files for student visa for various countries like UK, Australia, Canada, Singapore, Malaysia, New Zealand, USA.
We merely don't say by words, but we have proven it that we are number one. 80% of the students studying under the guidance of Kaplan with the experienced faculties have cleared the exams in one go and even have availed good jobs in IUB, Dana Bank, BOBs and Union Bank of India. This is what Kaplan is all about.
The ultimate goal of the students whom we cater different courses is to get good jobs. We also provide overseas placements.
We know people come to us with lot many dreams, and we take utmost care at Kaplan to fulfill their dreams.
For more details, please visit to our nearest centers in Gujarat.